and you can easily gain marks from it. Beta, Hashir and Muqtaza group पे लिखो Furqan कहाँ गए? Furqan just left the room. Ask him why. Group पे लिखें. There is asking Furqan. Okay, now coordinate geometry. When we deal with coordinate geometry, we have Cartesian plane. Okay, what's a Cartesian plane? What's a Cartesian plane? Does anybody know? Now imagine there's a hotel. Imagine there's a hotel room. Moeed, बहनों को phone किया? Call करो. Imagine there's a hotel room. This is the entrance. Okay, this is the entrance. Now, and as you enter, there's a lift. Okay, there's a lift. Now, and then there are a lot of rooms. There are a lot of rooms. Yes. Nine three one. 931. Yes. 940. 0163. Yeah, idea. Okay, now I asked you to imagine that 016393. Three nine three. Now imagine you're in a hotel room and imagine that you are staying here. Let's say Muqtaza is staying here. Muqtaza is staying here. Okay. Now I am coming. Muqtaza has invited me. Muqtaza has invited Sir Moeed. Now Muqtaza, can you tell me how will you guide me towards your room? What will you say? Muqtaza, come on, tell me. What will you say?
I'll say go straight and make the third right.
Okay, this is not straight. Actually, this is up. Left है ना, आप जा रहे हैं. This is up basically. You will say enter the lift. Enter the lift. ठीक है? Come to the third floor. Right? Second room. Am I making sense?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, this knowledge, this particular communication can also happen using coordinate geometry. Well, in coordinate geometry, we do not have a lift. In coordinate geometry, we do not have rooms. We have coordinates. And the coordinates are x-axis according to x-axis and y-axis. Right? Now, x-axis deals in direction of right or left. And y-axis deals in the direction up or down. Am I making sense? Is there any confusion up till now? Any confusion, class? आ जाएगा फुरकान अभी समझ. Now, Muqtaza told me to come on the third floor. 1, 2, 3, and he asked me to after reaching at the third floor, come at the second room. So third floor, let's use this. third floor, and then second room. Here is Muqtaza. So now, if I point, I made rooms over here, right? I made rectangular rooms over here, rectangular windows. Okay? But over here now, I'll only put a dot. Now, above in this example, Muqtaza said third floor, second room. Now, the same information on the Cartesian plane using coordinate geometry will be given like this: x, comma y. X is telling us the right and left direction. So, how many steps have we taken towards the right? 1, 2. So, we will say 2, comma. How many steps have we taken towards upside or downside? We've taken 3 steps towards upside. 1, 2, 3. 2, comma 3. Any confusion? This is just an introduction towards the coordinate system. What's a coordinate system? X, comma y. X, comma y. This is the coordinate system. And now imagine 3, 4, 5. Now, when we're dealing with such system, we might get confused with, since there are two directions, right and left, how would you know that 2 is pointing towards right or left? How would you know? Okay? So what mathematicians did, they said, okay, no, don't worry. If you want to go towards right, we will say positive 2. And if you want to go towards left, we will say negative. We will use negative values for the direction towards left. Similarly, we use positive values to move upsides. Now, if we are moving downwards, -1, -2, -3. Any confusion, beta? Please let me know if there's any confusion. Furqan बेटा कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम आते हैं? कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम समझ आ गया? मुझे जवाब दें, ये क्लास में कितने बच्चे बैठे हैं? फातिमा, फुरकान, समहा, रिसाल, you sleeping or what?
Understood, sir.
Thank you. Chale. Now let's take some more coordinates. Okay, now if I am taking this coordinate, so first of all, this coordinate will have x comma y, and now we need to see the first value that goes inside the bracket is x, which is what? Deciding directions towards right or left. Now another thing, now I'm telling you a new thing. This point will always be the starting point. This point is called origin, and this has the coordinate 0, 0, because this is our starting point. At this point, there is no right left direction, so 0, and there is no up down direction, so that is why 0. Origin will always be 0, 0. So basically, from our example, this is the left. This is the left. Okay? Now, from the origin, we will see how to reach at this coordinate. Okay? So first we write down the horizontal directions, right or left. So we are moving 4 steps towards left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Since it is towards left, we will say -4, comma. How many steps towards from here? Only 1 step. So we will say 1. Any confusion? Let's take another example. Let's call this A. Now, if I am asking you what's the coordinate A, x comma y, you will say A is, what is x? What is its horizontal direction? What is its horizontal movement? Now, from here on, from this point, I need to move towards, to come here, I need to come towards right. That is 3. And then from here, I need to come 3 steps downwards. 1, 2, 3. So we will say 3, -3. Any confusion, beta? Jaldi, hurry up, and hurry up. Any confusion, please let me know. Okay. Okay, I'll repeat. This part or A part? This part or A part? Which part? A part. Okay, no worries. देखें, A पे जाने के लिए we first always need to start from the origin. This is the origin. हम हर coordinate को यहाँ से देखेंगे. ठीक है? अब यहाँ से देखें, यूं वाली डायरेक्शन कोऑर्डिनेट के लिए वी नेवर फॉलो. डायरेक्ट जो होता है डायरेक्ट रूट वी नेवर फॉलो. वी डोंट फॉलो द डायरेक्ट रूट. हम हमेशा हॉरिजॉन्टल और वर्टिकल देखते हैं. ये तो राइट लेफ्ट अप डाउन ऐसे देंगे हम. सो फर्स्ट आई कैन गो 1 2 3. सो राइट डायरेक्शन में 3 है, राइट. एंड आफ्टर दिस 1 सॉरी आई वाज हियर 1 2 3 स्टेप्स डाउनवर्ड्स. Downward is -3. Clear now? Clear? Chale, that's good. Now this was very easy. Okay, so important thing was this. You need, this is important. Origin 0,0 होता है. ठीक है? Every coordinate is seen from origin as a starting point coordinate system demands का मतलब है, it means कि it is a must, it's a must that we write horizontal values first, horizontal value first, then vertical. Now by horizontal I mean values from x-axis. Vertical I mean values from y-axis. Hence any coordinate is x, y. Everything good? All good?
Yeah.
Now we are moving on to formulas. Okay, I'll move on to formulas now. Let's move on to formulas now.